how to open US bank account if you're not a US citizen, US resident, if you have US LLC and you want to collect payments from all around the world but you're not living in the US, what are the options available? I will talk today about alternatives for those banks that I know that exist, but they are a bit limited, and I will share to you some solution to have another bank account that can work for your business and help you scale your e-com activity. Okay, so the three most popular banks are Payoneer, okay, we have Wise, and we have Mercury. Okay, so this is like the three banks that everyone uses right now in terms of LLC. And what's very frustrating is if for some reason you lose the access to your Payoneer, Wise or Mercury, you don't have other options. And that's very frustrating, especially if you live abroad, if you want to use also your card, if you want to use full options that those banks can propose. If one of them holds you, you're in a bad situation. And we know how those banks can get a bit tricky and eventually hold your funds or do some kind of verification, etc., etc. Plus, there is some perks that you won't get. For example, those banks doesn't offer cashback. Those banks, before Wise, we could do Apple Pay, but now it's not available. So you're very limited in terms of options. So the good news is I partnered up with a bank that can onboard you and accept you as long as you're running everything legit. And they are more stable, and you won't have to be worried about getting your funds in hold. So if you want to get some kind of introduction to this bank, feel free to reach me out and I'll be able to help. So the perks are Apple Pay, unlimited cards, you can pay with a physical card as well, you get cash back, a lot of features that you won't find with those other solutions. And of course, the more options you have, the better you back up for your business. And I see so many businesses that just register an LLC and try to apply for those digital solutions, and they get rejected from Wise, rejected from Mercury, and they just left with Payoneer. And Payoneer is a very good bank, but it's not enough, especially in terms of fees that they apply. So it's a good solution, but you want to have multiple alternatives. This way you can scale your business with the maximum potential. So if you want to hear out the different options that I have, feel free to contact me. If you want even more options, I can help you with also Hong Kong solutions or UK solutions, other countries that also each of those countries, if you open a company overseas, you will have whole other portfolio of banks. And we're talking here about more than 10 digital banks that could support your business, even if you're not a US citizen or resident or whatsoever. Wherever you live, wherever you are, as long as you have a passport, you're able to apply and get those banks created. So if you want some kind of consulting advice on what's possible for your situation, feel free to reach us out, and we will see, we'll ask you a few questions, try to understand your situation, and what have you tried before, and what would be the right option for you in terms of tax optimization, bank setup, tax residency, and get all this cleared for you based on our experience by helping thousands of entrepreneurs or operating their business and optimizing their structure, their setup. So guys, feel free if you have some questions about this topic, and I look forward to seeing you on the next video. And until then, don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel to get more value, tips and tricks, and I see you in the next one. Cheers.